Michael Fred Phelps, II, born June 30th, 1985, is an American former competitive swimmer. He won more Olympic medals than any other athlete, a total of 28 medals across for Olympic Games. Phelps also holds the all-time records for Olympic gold medals in individual events, and Olympic medals in individual events. At the 2000 Summer Olympics in Athens, Phelps tied the record of 8 medals of any color at a single Games held by gymnast Alexander Detyatin by winning 6 gold and 2 bronze medals. 4 years later, when he won 8 gold medals at the 2008 Beijing Games, he broke fellow American swimmer Mark Spitz's 1972 record of 7 first-place finishes at any single Olympic Games. At the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, Phelps won for gold and 2 silver medals, and at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, he won 5 gold medals and 1 silver. This made him the most successful athlete of the Games for the 4th Olympics in a row. Phelps is a former long-course world record holder in the 200-meter freestyle, 100-meter butterfly, 200-meter butterfly, 200-meter individual medley, and 400-meter individual medley. He has won 82 medals in major international long course competitions, of which 65 were gold, 14 silver, and 3 bronze, spanning the Olympics, the World Championships, and the Pan-Pacific Championships. Phelps's international titles and record-breaking performances have earned him the World Swimmer of the Year award 8 times and American Swimmer of the Year award 11 times, as well as the FINA Swimmer of the Year award in 2012 and 2016. Phelps earned Sports Illustrated Magazine Sportsman of the Year award due to his unprecedented Olympic success in the 2008 Games. After the 2008 Summer Olympics, Phelps started the Michael Phelps Foundation, which focuses on growing the sport of swimming and promoting healthier lifestyles. Phelps retired following the 2012 Olympics, but he made a comeback in April 2014. At the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, his 5th Olympics, he was selected by his team to be the flag bearer of the United States at the 2016 Summer Olympics Parade of Nations. He announced his second retirement on August 12, 2016, having won more medals than 161 countries. He won the Laureus World Comeback of the Year award in 2017. He is widely regarded as the greatest swimmer of all time and is often considered to be one of the greatest athletes of all time. Phelps was born in Baltimore, Maryland, and raised in the Rogers Forge neighborhood of nearby Towson. Phelps is the youngest of 3 children. His mother, Deborah Sue Debbie Phelps, is a middle school principal. His father, Michael Fred Phelps, was a retired Maryland state trooper who played football in high school and college and tried out for the Washington Redskins in the 1970s. His parents divorced in 1994 when he was 9 years old, and his father remarried in 2000. Phelps later revealed that the divorce had a severe negative impact on him and his siblings, and his relationship with his father was distant for a few years after the divorce. He attended Rogers Forge Elementary, Dumbarton Middle School, and graduated from Towson High School in 2003. During his school years, he was a target of school bullying due to his ADHD and protruding ears. It reached a point where he retaliated during a situation and received a suspension. The frustration from this experience fueled his drive into swimming. Phelps began swimming at the age of 7, partly because of the influence of his sisters and partly to provide him with an outlet for his energy. After retirement in 2016, he stated, "The only reason I ever got in the water was my mom wanted me to just learn how to swim. My sisters and myself fell in love with the sport, and we decided to swim." When Phelps was in the 6th grade, he was diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. By the age of 10, he held a national record for his age group in the 100-meter butterfly and began to train at the North Baltimore Aquatic Club under Coach Bob Bowman. More age group records followed, and as of August 21, 2018, Phelps still held 11 age group records, 8 in long course and 3 in short course. Personal life, Bob Bowman described Phelps as a solitary man with a rigid focus at the pool prior to a race, but afterward a man incredibly invested in the success of the people he cares about. He states that he's unbelievably kind-hearted, recounting Phelps' interaction with young children after practices. Phelps is married to former Miss California, USA Nicole Johnson. They secretly married on June 13, 2016, and the marriage was not publicly reported until 4 months later. They met in 2007 at the ESPEs, broke up in 2008, later got back together, but broke up again in 2010. In 2012, they started to reconcile and ultimately got engaged in February 2015. They have 4 sons together. The family lives in Paradise Valley, Arizona, where Phelps volunteered alongside Bowman as an assistant coach for the Arizona State Sun Devils swim team. Phelps has also cited Michael Jordan as a sporting idol of his and stated that he changed the sport of basketball. Phelps is also a fan of the Baltimore Ravens and stated that he found his life purpose and desire to compete in the 2016 Summer Olympics after seeking Ray Lewis's advice. In January 2018, Phelps revealed that he has struggled both with ADHD and depression, having contemplated suicide after the 2012 Olympics. Phelps is a minority shareholder in the Premier League club Leeds United. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.